Alright, y'all. So we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Ego chainsaw because we did one last year. My heart broke. And that's why you've been seeing me sawing for the last like 6 months. But not anymore. Golly.
Yeah, there's tape around the edges. You think you're gonna need a knife?
Oh. A little raggedy, it's alright. Look at that. Wow. Fat charger. Look at that charger. Is it rapid or no? I don't know. I think it's the standard charger. Golly, look at the battery. Put the trash back in the box when you're done. Golly. Yeah, a little technical difficulties here. It's a little hard to get out. Big battery. 56 volts. If you want to check how much juice you got, press that. Got 2 bars. Alright. Let's get the main 16-inch blade. And hold that. Alright, now guys, to make this a little better, let's take the trash off. Alright, so we have Ego chain. As you can see, it says power 40 cc gas chainsaw.
How powerful is that?
That's like a steel. It's like a that's like a homeowner steel chainsaw that you would use for like a job, regular job. But it's equivalent to that. You have your brake. It stops the chainsaw. Red means it's not there. You have your metal bucking spikes. Have your oil tank and the battery. Let's put the battery in.
Do you have oil?
Well, I'm not cutting nothing, so I don't need oil. But I do have oil though. As you can see, without the brake, it don't run. But with the brake, pretty loud. So let's just put this up to be on the safe side. Then to take your battery out. Oh, we got 2 bars, so it won't take as long to charge to be able to use it, but oh, brake on. Yeah. And also, it's also a controlled throttle, so look. So you can control how fast you want to go. Let's take this out to be on the safe side, because you know that's pretty fast. You have your toolless tensioning. You have this tension. I'm not gonna take it off because I don't feel like wrestling and all that. I only take it off when you know, the chain flies off, but pretty good. Yeah, so we'll text y'all. I'm gonna charge this up and we're gonna use it. Cut some big trees down, baby. Boom, baby.
All right.
All right.